Guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today is Tuesday and I'm currently at the stadium because Gassy decided he wants to change the curfew time to 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. So it is now currently 5:02. I have at least half an hour to get in some kind of exercise, some kind of walking, some kind of something. I actually woke up early this morning and did some exercise like about after 5, like 5:30. A few of us, so they wanted to go walking this afternoon, so I said, all right, cool, we'll go. So I'm currently here, and if you guys can only see how packed the stadium is, because the gyms are closed, and so everybody's here trying to get some sort of workout in. So I figured, why not just let you guys see what's going on. And yeah, so I'm literally just here sitting waiting on my sister. I came straight from work. I changed my clothes in the vehicle because that's what I do. I think I see her. Yeah, she just pulled up there. Look, she just pulled up behind me there. I don't know what she parked behind me for. But yeah, so we're gonna go walking. I'm gonna show you guys, everybody literally is at the stadium working out, and I don't see anybody have on any masks. I mean, it's kind of uncomfortable to work out with a mask, by the way, but still. So yeah, let's go. I'm outside now. Davina dear, really careful what you say, because you never know who will be listening. Your body look lumpy. I don't know why y'all are not dressed. And this is after 5. Curfew is 6 o'clock. What is wrong with... What happened? Hello, we came here to work out, not to farm the fool. See everybody working out. What are you doing home sitting down? Yo, these people want me to run and they know I can't run. And I don't know what Davina is doing. Yo, me not come down with a tire again. Bobby, I never drop out. Did you not say 5 o'clock? Did you not say 5 o'clock? Did you not say 5 o'clock? Curfew is 6 o'clock. People, it's all about fitness. It's all about getting this waist. What waist? Then I do exercise inside there. Good day. That get done? No. Yeah. Oh, I see what I'm gonna do. You get done now? At 5 o'clock. It is not 5 o'clock, it's 5:30. Oh, yeah. So we're here trying to get our workout in. What are you doing? Why are you loafing? Tell me why? Tell me why? Have a hold the Bobby. Have a hold the Bobby. Even though I look tired, this is the run. It's the run walk. It's the run walk for me. Get it. It's the walk for me. It's the walk for me. Sea grapes, guys. Oh wait, what in there? Sea grapes. And some of them ripe. What y'all know about sea grapes? I got sweet shit. And they're not even close to the sea. Yes, we should do working out, but it's just water break. Hey guys, it is Saturday now, so I'm at the mechanic. I came to drop off my vehicle. My vehicle has been down for a while. It's back up now, but yeah, I'm here to bring it back again just to check some minor stuff. And yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna get into today. obviously I'll have to go to the supermarket. I think I have a package to collect, and also my little sister, so she wants to go to the beach, so we might do that. So that's what's up for today. I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and yeah, I haven't vlogged in a while, so yeah, whatever. I want to check out this new supermarket, Perry Bay. So that's where I'm gonna go today and see what it's like, see what the prices are like, if it's expensive compared to the other supermarkets, you know, kind of just do a comparison. And so that's what's up. Actually, I was supposed to go and check out something in town as well, but I'll see, because I don't know how I feel about going in town, but yeah. So people, I'm currently on my way to the supermarket. I'm on Market Street. Is it Market Street or is it Market Street? Valley Road. So I'm about to turn on. I'm gonna show you all the action that's going on. So of course this is town on a Saturday. We're going Perry Bay Supermarket to see what's up, what's on the up and up. So yeah. Oh, they're still doing construction at the top. I wonder what they're putting up here.
A video of me?
I'm taking a video of my hand. Hold it. I'm taking a video of my hand. You recording? What, you don't want me to take a video of you?
Huh?
You don't want me to take a video of
It
you?
doesn't matter.
No.
I want to be famous. So
Oh, you? Since you want to be famous, I'll put you in. Came out of Vincent and Millicent. I know where we're going now. We're going by Lucky Cosmetics to see if I get something. What? Oh! Okay, people, I'm at Automotive Arts. Oh, Lord. Good day. How this work? Oh, I use my arm. Hi, Jason. I'm fine. I'm looking for some clips.
Bumper.
Careful how you say things. Because when you say for the bumper now, you think something else.
Did you live here now as well?
No, I'm looking for some clips for my vehicle. Well, for inside. What exactly the clips for?
To keep these in place. This
What that
plastic
be?
stuff. This is over, this covering over the radiator and stuff.
Yeah, so I'm looking for some clips for the covering for over the radiator. So that's why I'm in here.
This work for the symbol?
Yeah. That's what's up. I'm a little preschool friend and high school friend helping me out. Wait. Okay, people. So I'm currently in living spaces. I'm looking for a dining table just because I want to look for a dining table. So yeah, let's see what they have. What y'all think about this? I feel like it just look old fashioned. This just look old fashioned. I mean, it alright, but it look old fashioned. You see this now? I want one of these in my living room. And then I just put my little TV, but more bigger TV though. Hi boo! Hey guys.
So fast.
Come, you wanna be in my video? Oh, you're so short though. Ah!
I got in the water.
You're
by
going in the
myself.
water by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
And I have a new friend.
You have a new friend?
Mhm.
What's his name?
I don't know.
You need to ask him his name. Delete that. Alright guys, so I'm at the beach with my sis. Nobody can see you. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go on, it's not a jet ski, but it's like the dinghy behind of the jet ski, the floaty thing. I don't know what it's called though. Yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do right now. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna go on. He's actually prepping it for me to sit on it. I'm gonna put on the life jacket. What is it? So we are attempting to go into this thing here on the water. I'm afraid, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna hold up my dear life, y'all. But she's going first. That real calling. Okay, baby. Okay. You're not gonna cry if you go on it? Okay. Yeah. But he can't, you know what, but he can't hold, but you have to hold on. You see the edge there? Yeah.
Mommy?
Yeah?
It's not gonna turn, Mommy?
No.
Okay. I think he's flexible. And me too. There's so many seaweed.
What's this? A sea berry?
No, it's
Hey, drop my phone now. Come here. Let's see, let me see. Come on, not even afraid. Hey, who piece of the Thomas can't Yeah. Huh?
For adults, you just take one.
Bang! No, turn it all the way. Which other way? Long way, yeah. To the block. What you the friend? But if you're scared, she needs to start it. She a jump up over. Oh, she'll go back again? She go back again. How was it? She can't talk. She don't want to hear right now. She can't go with it. Me. So guys, I nearly died, but it was fun. Huh?
I don't want to go upside down.
You don't want to go upside down? It was nice, but listen, I fell over and my life flashed before my eyes. I was like, dang, I'm dead now. But it was fun.